Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I would like to show you how you can do very beautiful little booties or for you or for your kids. And I want to show you how you can do the border of the booties. Here, the way you see it, this is like a little baby boot. And I made a frame. This is the place that I want to show you how you can do it so easy and it looks so beautiful. All right, we're gonna start. All right, now you see it over here. Now I'm going to start to show you. You have to make definitely 2 colors and 4 lines at least to be able to make the border. So we'll take one from the green color. When I change the color, of course, it's going to show you in the back side, not this side, this first line. So you take one of the color and you knit with the one that it's on your needle. You take one. And you knit together. Like you take one from here and one from here. You do like this and you do like this. So this is the way you do it. It's very simple, very easy, and gives character. It's beautiful. And you're gonna see how pretty it's gonna look. So this is the way you will do it. And this is the way it's gonna show. Here it is, the border, you see it, this is the bottom part, and this is gonna be the sides. Here it is, how beautiful it's gonna look. Now I wanna show you over here, which I did few. You see this is almost one color, but the line, I did it one line, so it will make it easier for me to pick up. Otherwise, it's gonna be confusing. If you pick up from the pink, the same color, it's gonna stretch when you work, and you're not gonna know which way to pick up. Here you see the little cute baby booties. It's like real shoes. Here I made for the baby. I'm going to be grandma like I said. And I made 2 booties, one bigger, one smaller. And here I want to show you another color, green with light, to just make it up, to pick them up easy way. And you can make any kind of color designs. And then at the end you can make nice crochet to be nice and firm. And it gives character to the shoes. Here is another one, different kind, different design, like a boots. It looks very beautiful. Here is a baby set I made over here, and one I made for my cousin's babies, nieces. A little baby boot with the head, with beautiful blanket. And here is a set for my grandson coming soon in next month, February 25th, God willing. And here I made a hat and a shoes and everything. And now I have one that I'm wearing. I want to show you. It's very cozy. When I go family's house, they would love to walk barefoot in the house, so I make it to everybody, so this way they can walk with the booties. Well, I want to thank you very, very much for watching. Go check on my videos. I have a lot of knitting, cooking, baking. Check my videos, put a lot of comments. There is art, crafts, and all variety things. Well, and I hope that I can give you a lot of ideas and comments put for me. And I hope you try this. It's beautiful, it's fun. You can make it, you can sell it, you can enjoy it. Well, thank you again. And if you like this channel, please like and subscribe. And I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.